how to fix lag on Roblox in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix the lag is very easy. Just go to any server on Roblox, for example this one, it's a racing server. Go to the top corner right here and click on Roblox settings, and then go to settings, and then all what you have to do is make sure to make the camera mode on classic, and then go to the movement mode and make it, for example, classic thumbstick. You can choose anything you want there, and then go to the graphics mode and make it manual, and then go to the graphics quality and make it lower as possible like this. If you have a high quality graphics, this is the reason why you have a lag, and that's why you have to make it lower like this. And then all what you have to do is just go back, and congratulations, the problem is gonna be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.